Okay, so here's how it's wired up. I've got 24 volts being made in this module here. Unfortunately, it wants 27, but and I have a different module on the way. So the way this works is I have some shut-off switches here. I have 3 of them. I just put this one in today. This 12-volt tie connects the front batteries to the rear batteries, which supply DC voltage to the inverter so that I can run the shelter with no generator. That just ties the 2 systems together. It's useful for boosting the front if the front was low, or charging the back. Over here, I've got a 12-volt shutoff. That one's been in all along. So if you want to disable the truck so somebody doesn't steal it, you shut off the 12 volts here. Every time I park the truck, I shut that off. This one here is new. By the way, these switches are backwards for whatever reason. That doesn't bother me, because that makes it a little more difficult to steal if you found the switches. So right now the 24 volt is on, now it's off. That 24 volts is actually from the converter to the batteries. That 24 volts comes out of here, goes through the switch, and feeds the back terminal there. The 12 volts comes right off of the main batteries. Now you could add switches all day long to this if you want to, but to my view, if there's no output on this, you don't have to switch the input. Although it'd be better, because if this thing ever shorted, it'd be a mess. So it wouldn't hurt to have switched this, but if you switch the output, you know there's no parasitics when it's shut off. Or there shouldn't be, because the 12 shouldn't go anywhere. Anyhow, that's the way I did it. There's a lot of different ways to do it. So you get ground, 12, 24. I'm taking the 12 volts from the this terminal here, feeding this converter. The output of the 24 volts goes through that switch and feeds the 24 volts in the back. And it is working.